MJ Perez, Coach Shaq de los Santos, and Ces Molina of the Signal HD Spikers, who are the bronze medalists of the Reinforced Conference. Coach, congratulations on this victory. Pretty intense game against PLDT. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance nila?
Siyempre, sobrang happy dahil nakuha namin yung bronze, and at the same time, laging proud sa team namin kasi talagang lumalaban talaga hanggang dulo. And lagi kami thankful kasi ang dami namin natututunan, especially this conference na grabe yung mga na-experience namin. So, magiging baho namin to sa sunod na liga. Medyo matagal pa yung sunod na liga sa 6 begin. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Thank you. And for MJ, bronze medal for Signal. How are you feeling right now? What are your thoughts on how Signal won this game against PLDT?
I'm so happy, of course, from the result. It's not still the result we wanted. We are still very painful for the last game, but we are happy we could get this bronze medal. We have been working very hard, and we have our mindset. This conference that we want to be on the podium. So I think we make it, and I'm so happy for the result.
And for Ces, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud as captain ng team na yung nahabol mo yung lead ng PLDT and makuha nito panalo match?
Well, very proud sa team, especially sa mga teammates ko and syempre sa import namin. And of course, sa mga coaching staff namin na talagang haba ng patience sa amin kahit na first set, natalo ko yung first set. And yun, talagang ang mindset namin today is kung mas gusto ng kalaban namin, mas gugustuhin namin. And yun nga, we're 1 point away dun sa nakaraan namin game. Kaya malungkot pa rin yung team, pero ngayon talaga nilaban ng teammates ko.
Thank you.
How can you take us through lang yung 23-22 na discussion with the legend? Ano yung nangyari?
Well, I think tumawag ng touch sabi niya sa ulo nung after niya mag-spike. So, siyempre, Maria din nakita niya kung gano'ng kalayo din yung bola sa ulo niya. So, kahit kami nagulat talaga kami kasi parang point talaga namin yun. So kaya gano'n. So, parang napunta ko sa point ng PLDT. So, talagang nagkaroon kami ng mindset na kailangan may laban namin. Kasi siyempre, close, 1 point lang yung difference ng score. And knowing din our team, sobrang laki ng tiwala ako sa kanila. Kaya alam mo, pag nakuha namin yun or napunta sa amin yung focus na yun, pwede ka namin may panalo. So we're so happy and lucky din na naibigay sa amin yung focus.
Ako naman siguro, to be honest, ayoko talagang makipag-argue kasi it's referee's decision. But then it was a crucial point kasi, and yung pinaglalabanan namin dito medal. So hindi kami basta-basta papayag. And nakita naman namin dun sa game, during game na ni-replay, nakita talaga namin na wala. And all of us are naniniwala na wala talagang touch. So nangingi lang ako sa referee na parang challenge para mapakita. And kung ano man yung maging result, tatanggapin namin. So yun, buti na lang naging decision si ref na i-challenge nila talaga and i-replay. So nakita namin. So yun, kasi putol momentum yun yung mga calls talaga. So importante talaga sa amin yun. Crucial. Nakita nyo naman na parang 1 point pwedeng magbago yung momentum, and we were happy na talagang nakuha namin at nagtuloy-tuloy yung momentum namin.
So every tournament starting in 10 days where you will face 2 foreign teams from Japan. That will be the mindset.
Woo! First and all, keep it. Because it's very harsh. We will be playing like one day and another, and I think we have to be very mentally ready, and of course physically, because it's gonna be harsh. But I think we have positive. This is gonna be good for the team, so we are thinking we will do our best in this sport.
MJ, how would you assess your personal readiness, physically and mentally, to compete in the Invitational Conference after a very long Reinforced Conference?
As I say, we have to keep our mindset Me, because of course everybody's talking about my age and everything. I will keep until now. I working in myself, in my condition to be ready to not get injury and everything. And by side with the coach, he helped me a lot in the training. Like he don't overload me. So this is how we will prepare for this, and especially like. Working in my body and or especially in my mind to play this invitation.
We have discount.
Or Coach Eric says, so panlimang bronze medal yung signal ngayon sa PBA. Tingin niyo po ba may kulang pa sa team para makagroup yung team o more on parang it's about time na lang din darating din sa team sooner than later?
I think, for me siguro, lagi namang, sabihin natin laging may kulang. Kasi hindi naman kami, parang laging gusto pa rin namin ng improvement. At laging meron kaming kailangan. So, hindi naman kami napapagod na magtrabaho, mag-training, para makapunta sa kung ano man yung goal namin. And like last time na, yung last game namin, we were 1 point away sa championship, pero hindi pa rin binigay sa amin. So, marami pa rin kaming lapses and mga adjustment na dapat gawin. So, hindi lang kami titigil until makarating kami doon.
Obviously, marami talagang kulang pa. Kasi, siyempre, masaya kami, nakuha namin yung bronze. But, I'm sure lahat ng teams gusto lahat mapunta sa championship or makakuha ng gold. So, isa yun sa pinaka-goal namin. But, siguro, ang lagi naming mindset, hindi kami mag-stop na kunin yung goal na yun. And hopefully, dumating na yung time na para sa amin. Kasi hindi naman kami laging gugustuhin agad na gano'ng kadaling kunin or what. Kasi sobrang hirap din siya gawin. So, lagi lang namin gagawin kung ano yung goal namin. And aralin pa namin kung ano yung mga kulang, i-improve pa namin. Kasi the reason why hindi rin kami nakakarating sa championship, definitely may kulang. So, try namin aralin mismo yung team namin, pag-aaralan namin kung ano ang kailangan namin. And from there, tuloy-tuloy lang namin kung ano yung laging goal namin sa
Since nasabi ko yung last game, sobrang dikit nun, gano'n malaki puput lang siya for the team na let's do better this game na matapos natin unahin yung conference.
Sa totoo lang, sobrang lungkot talaga na ang team namin, as in coaches, management. Sobrang laki ng panghihinayang namin. Kasi nga yun nga, like I said, isang puntos na lang yung kailangan namin. And I think isa yun sa nakikita namin na kailangan namin na i-adjust yung lapses na yun, na 1 point na lang hindi pa namin matapos. So I think yun yung i-work on namin na every crucial point na nandun na kami sa point na yun, kailangan finish strong talaga. Kung gaano kami nagsimula ng malakas, gano'n din kami tatapos ng malakas. Yun yung isa namin i-work out.
Thank you, Coach.